This is a quick video to show you how to make a payment for your Career Days registration through DiggerNet. First, you'll want to navigate to your DiggerNet employer profile. This is the homepage. You will see upcoming events, and below you'll see Spring 2025 Career Days and that you're registered in green text. You'll want to click on this and navigate to the Spring 2025 Career Days event page. You can read through the About section to learn more about the industries that will be at Career Days on each day. But to pay for your registration, you'll want to navigate to the right side where it says your registration. You will see confirmed with a little green check, and you'll just want to click on View Your Invoice. Once you get to your invoice page, you'll want to just review the information and charges that is on your invoice. This invoice shows a registration for a corporate booth, which includes 3 reps, and the total price is $1,000. If you were to add more reps to your registration, you will see additional line items below that includes the additional charge for reps. Also, if you decide to include next day interviews and electricity at your booth, these will also show up below. You'll see your total in red, and then you will just want to navigate down to Pay by Credit Card. Once you click Pay by Credit Card, it will take you to our payment page. You will just enter all the necessary information into these boxes here, and then once you're finished, you'll just click Continue Checkout. That's it. Once you're done paying, you'll be good to go. If you need to make any changes or have any questions, please let us know by contacting either Adriana Alba or myself, Catherine Chapman, or anyone on the employer engagement team to help you. We really appreciate you registering for the Career Days, and we cannot wait to see you at the event. Thank you.